Can I just give up today? I just don't want to redo it. Welcome to another Saturday, and it's officially Sewing September, even though it's the end of August, but I'm pretty sure I better get started now before it's actually September. We don't want to procrastinate. We want to get stuff done. Plus, I want to get some of the Sewing September videos done before, like, this is going to be a series, to be honest. It's going to be a whole corset series and whatever I can fit in on the side, if that makes any sense. So this one is going to be setting up, making a mock-up. You know, it's not going to be the final result video, so you're going to have to probably wait at the end of September to get the final result. But the last time I did sewing videos, I had to make them into like different pieces. The corset might be a part 1 and part 2, setting it up or getting down the perfect pattern and then getting the whole thing done, doing like the, you know, embellishments or any last thing, because I also need to explain the thing that I got. This little jig, I gotta figure out how to do this, and it's to make the holes. So gotta look up videos for this one, and hopefully I can get it done. Oh, these are the, oh, I didn't know it came with, like, these are the extra pieces that I can switch out from up here. So, oh, I guess those were bumpers to make sure I don't hurt myself. Didn't know that. But yeah, we'll be learning how to use this tool. I forgot what it's called. Last time I tried to make a corset, it didn't go very well. Hopefully I can put some videos or clips up from the last time I tried to make a corset. Maybe I never posted that. But me being a bigger chested girl, corsets are actually better to wear than, I would say, bras, but we all appreciate a good bra. But when it comes to summer and the straps and everything, and I live down south, so it's kind of not normal to wear corsets, but doing what you have to do to stay cool, especially like maybe at a party and stuff. Like, girls do wear a little bit more fancier stuff, but that's just my family, or it's just the people that I'm around. You know, I would like to have a nice little corset piece. But for Halloween, I bought some pleather material. Let me go get it. For Halloween, I bought this pleather, fake leather, patent leather, whatever you want to call it. It's very stretchy, which I didn't think about, but that's good. It means it's not going to, when it's built to be stretchy, it doesn't crease or crumble apart easily. Like, it doesn't rip apart the leather part. But I got 2 yards of this, so I can make a ton of corsets with this. But I also have 2 things of denim, so we can make a denim corset if we get frisky. I also have curtains to make into corsets. So, in the last video that I tried making a corset, I had a problem. I did not have this nifty little tool. I really need to know what that's called. Okay, they're called eyelet and snap pliers from Sewology. So, and they do have a little bit of a safety thing to it, but eyelet and snap pliers. That's what these are called. And so I did not have these last time, so I thought maybe I could just do, you can't do a really thick fabric or non-stretch fabric and not have either buttons in place, lace in place, or something you have to detach it. Especially when it comes to corsets, you have to have some kind of lace and stuff like that, unless it's what do you call it, where it's the hook, like a bra. It has the, I want to say the eyes and hook, or the hook and eye clamp, or the hook and eye connectors. Like, you have to have something in place for the corset to completely open and to completely close, because you cannot just slip on a corset unless it has like a zipper or something like that. You just have to have something like that. But also, this is going to prep me for the holidays. I know the holidays, nobody dresses up too dramatically, and I probably could have, I might do this right now or in September, since it is homecoming week in September. I have an old homecoming dress, or actually it was a pageant dress. It was not a homecoming dress, it was a long dress, and I've been trying to sell it. It's a $1,000 dress, nobody wants it, and so I'm just like, you know what, if I'm going to learn how to do corsets and stuff like that, and maybe down the road, depending on if I just want to get a job, because my daughter is going to go to kindergarten very soon. I told my husband I would kind of like to work at a dress shop, and there's one dress shop that I work with every now and then, and my mom watches my kid, and I go help out this lady that owns her own dress shop in town. But I haven't done that in a while. I only did it like for 2 or 3 weekends, but it's just something that I like doing. But I also know that David's Bridal, they actually have alteration jobs, so you can be an alterationist or a
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to re-dissect this whole corset thing because it is too big. I don't know if I just lost weight or if the pattern, like, I don't know. I hate when patterns say like, this is your size, and you pick that size and the size is like way too big. So I feel like when people do that, or when sizes do that, it's because they really didn't try it on that size person. So I'm gonna have to re-dissect this corset and do it all over again. We had to do this in multiple parts. So I guess this video was more of a put it together, but now we're going to tailor it perfectly for me. I would show you with it on, but well, of course when I'm wearing clothes, but yeah, it is way too big up in here and back here. Can I just give up today? I just give up. I say that, but I'm the kind of person I just keep trying. And I also have to redo this. But you know, that's life. We gotta redo things in life. I just don't want to do it. I just want to do it one and done. One and done. Just do it once and be done. I just don't want to redo it. I don't care to redo another one, a different one. I just don't want to redo the same one. But that's where I'm at mentally right now. And I'm going to add this to both videos, my Tumblr video and my sewing video, because the frustration, it's 2 projects that frustrate me all at once. So, yeah. Now I'm going to have to size all these panels down and redo the tumbler. The tumbler's drying. I did my first coat of paint. I'm pretty sure I can do a second coat now. I have to wait an hour for the paints to dry. So, yeah. Just wanted to vent.